Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about a really common and useful English phrase, chill out.
Has this ever happened to you? Someone tells you to chill out, and you're just not sure what they mean. It can feel a little strange, but don't worry, because today we're going to make it all perfectly clear. First, let's look at a funny little story. This will help us see why this phrase can be so confusing sometimes.
Okay, so this is Maria. She is with her friend Tom. They have plans to see a movie. But Maria is starting to get a little worried about the time. You know that feeling, right? She keeps checking her watch. She starts to feel a little panicked. She says, "We have to go now. We will miss the start." You can tell she's getting very, very stressed out. And here's the important part. Tom sees how stressed she is, and he just smiles and says to her, "Maria, you need to chill out." Well, poor Maria is completely lost. She's thinking, chill out? Does he want me to get cold? Should I go get a blanket? It's a really funny mix-up, but it shows how easy it is to misunderstand. So, what did Tom really mean? Let's clear up all the confusion and break down what chill out actually means. Here is the real meaning. Chill out simply means to relax or to calm down. It's something you say to a person who is feeling worried or angry or maybe a little too upset. The idea is all about calming your feelings, not your body.
Let's compare the two meanings. The literal, or word-for-word meaning of chill is about temperature, to make something cold. But the idiom, the special meaning, is about your emotions, to relax and become calm. See the difference?
And this was the aha moment for Maria. She finally understood. Tom just wanted her to stop worrying. He wanted her to relax because they had plenty of time to get to the movie. He wasn't talking about being cold at all. Now that we know what it means, let's look at some more examples. And I have a simple trick to help you remember it. Here are a few ways to use it. If you're very angry, a friend might say, "I was so angry, but my friend told me to chill out." That means to calm down. If you want to have a lazy weekend, you can say, "Let's just chill out at home this weekend." That means to relax. And if someone is worried about a little mistake, you can say, "Hey, chill out. It's just a small mistake." That means don't worry. Here is an easy way to remember the meaning. First, think about a very hot day. You feel tired and stressed. Now, imagine a nice, cool drink. That cool drink helps you chill and feel relaxed. Well, to chill out is to relax just like that. Chill out also has some related phrases and some interesting facts. Let's explore them together. So, what are some other ways to say chill out? You could say take it easy or cool down. And what's the opposite? Well, if you are not chilling out, you might freak out or get worked up. And now for some fun facts. This phrase became very popular in the 1980s. It comes from the idea of cooling down when you feel heated or angry inside. You will also hear it a lot in American movies and TV shows. Keep an ear out for it. Okay, let's make sure you can use this phrase perfectly. First, we'll look at a common mistake, and then we'll have a quick, fun quiz. Here's a common mistake to avoid. Don't say, "I am chilling out in the winter." It sounds like you are feeling physically cold from the weather. The correct way to say it is, "I am relaxing inside during the winter." Remember, chill out is for feelings, not for the temperature outside. All right, quiz time. Let's see what you've learned. Question 1. Your friend is very worried about a small test. What do you say? Is it A, you need to freak out? B, you need to chill out? Or C, you need to get cold? And the correct answer is B, you need to chill out. You are telling your friend to relax and not to worry. Great job. Let's try another one. What is the opposite of chill out? Is it A, take it easy? B, calm down? Or C, get worked up? Answer is C, get worked up. This means to become angry or upset, which is the exact opposite of relaxing. You're doing great. Okay, last question. If someone says, "Let's chill out this afternoon," what do they want to do? Is it A, go for a run, B, relax and do nothing special, or C, study for a big exam? The correct answer is B, relax and do nothing special. To chill out in this way means to have a relaxing and easy time. You did an amazing job. So now you know how to use this great phrase. Next time you feel stressed, just remember to chill out. Now it's your turn. Have you ever told someone to chill out? Share your story in the comments. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and follow. See you next time.